In the autumn of 331 BCE, the ancient Near East was set ablaze by the ambitions of two powerful leaders, Alexander the Great, king of Macedon, and Darius III, ruler of the Persian Empire. For over a century, the Persians had been the dominant force in the region, with their vast empire stretching from modern-day Iran to Egypt. Alexander's forces consisted of approximately 40,000 infantry and 7,000 cavalrymen, drawn from his seasoned veterans of Greece and Asia Minor. In contrast, Darius fielded an enormous army estimated to be around 100,000 strong, with contingents from across the empire, including Egypt, Babylon, and even mercenaries from as far away as India. As the two armies clashed, Alexander employed a strategy that would become his hallmark: lightning-fast maneuver warfare. He divided his forces into three wings, each consisting of infantry and cavalry. Darius's forces proved disorganized and unwieldy. Hephaestion's left wing successfully encircled the Persian right flank, forcing Darius to divert troops to contain this new threat. Alexander, sensing victory within reach, led a daring charge against the weakened Persian center. The Persians suffered catastrophic losses. Estimates suggest that between 40,000 and 50,000 soldiers perished on the battlefield, while Alexander's forces lost a relatively modest number of men, perhaps around 1,500. In the aftermath of Gaugamela, Alexander's dominance over the Near East was cemented. The once mighty Persian Empire began to crumble, as its territories fell under Macedonian control one by one. The battle marked the end of Persian dominance in the Near East and paved the way for the Hellenistic period, as Greek culture and language spread throughout the conquered territories. Today, the legacy of Gaugamela remains palpable in the ruins of Babylon and Persepolis, testifying to the enduring power of human ambition and military strategy.